Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from video on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my CapCut PC application, and as you can see, I have created a project and imported my video to this project. And for example guys, I'm going to remove this watermark from my video. First of all, we need to duplicate this video. You can right click on your video and then select copy. Then you can paste it to duplicate your video. Okay, and we're going to use mask to cover the watermark. You can go to the mask option and then choose the shape of the mask you want to apply. I'm going to apply this circle mask. Then we can adjust the size of the mask according to the watermark we want to remove. And take another part of your video to cover the watermark. Okay, I'm just going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover it. And then we can go to the basic, then drag the mask to cover your watermark. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. And to make it more natural, I recommend you to go to the adjustment and you can adjust the lightness or the brightness. Okay, I'm just going to go to the lightness and increase the exposure just a little bit. Oops. Okay, I think it looks better. And this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the watermark has been removed from my video. And if your watermark is moving, you can use keyframe to make the mask follow the moving watermark. So this is how the keyframe looks like, and you can use it to make the mask follow the moving watermark. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove watermark from our video using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!